Today we're rolling all the carpet out of here and getting the old chimney down, and hopefully we can start reinforcing some of the ceiling and getting rid of the walls we don't need. Unfortunately, this cool wallpaper can't be saved. It's got rips and tears and all kinds of stuff going on with glue and things on it from putting that paneling over the top of it. And this wall isn't supporting anything, so it's coming out. Gonna be all sorts of fun patches on this particular floor. I'm gonna take this old log that was holding all that knob and tube up on the ceiling, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn some cool candlesticks out of it. I think we can get some really neat pieces, and we'll use them as decor in the house once we start putting decor and things in. So Harrington doesn't like to be filmed very much. He doesn't like to be on camera. He just wants to do his work and be left alone. But I have a fun little story. He has been pushing this broom and working like crazy, and this is a 2-generation broom. I used to push this same broom at Discount Tire when I was 17 years old, and we were cleaning up. And his face looks about like mine when I was 17, because you get sweaty and you touch it with your hands, your dirty hands, and then your face gets all nasty dirty. He'll learn.
Nope.
So Harrington was like, I get to pull the bricks down from the ceiling part. And apparently I also get to wear the pink hard hat. Since we've only got 2, he's got the gray one, and I've got Jami's. But it'll keep my head safe. All right, let's go. Let's get some bricks down. All right, the chimney is down. Now we are going to remove these walls. This board here is supporting that purlin, but you can see from this backside, that's not even nailed in good. It's just loose hanging up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this wall so that we can clean up a little easier. It's not supporting anything, it's just here. The ceiling joists are running parallel to it and it's not under anything. The only thing supporting the ceiling joists side to side in the middle of the room is this wall here and this wall here, kind of. This didn't even have supports underneath it because underneath this board here was the venting for the furnace that they added in at some point. So I'm gonna get rid of some walls here. We'll leave this one and these studs here in the next couple of days. I'm gonna go back in, we're gonna do a really big lamb beam across, and I'll put a big beam across here supporting that lamb beam. That'll support these corner supports here and this purlin up over here. And I'll go over that a little more in depth on the engineering and what's behind that. We've been working with a structural engineer, and I'll go over a little bit more in depth on how we're gonna tie this wall over here into this wall and keep the roof from spreading, and a little bit more of the structural engineering on that so you can see what we're doing and understand it a little better. This is the open concept that we were kind of going for. I still have to move a couple of walls and reinforce the roof in a few places, but it's coming along. I think we're almost done with demo. I got a couple little things, these pipes in the background here. I've got to take those out because I don't happen to have a pipe wrench with me today. So just a quick little rundown. Where I'm currently standing will be the bathroom, and then pantry is going right here. It'll be about 8 feet by 8 feet, give or take a few inches. Nice big pantry. This is where the bathroom used to be. The kitchen is going to come all the way over to right here on this wall, and then we'll have pantry that way. This sewer exhaust vent is going to get moved, or at least bumped back over here and put in this wall. And then this window over here is going to become a big glass door to the backyard, hopefully let a lot of light in on the back side of the house and into the kitchen. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you're enjoying these demolition videos. This should be the last of the demolition videos for a while. I still got to do the basement, but we're putting that off for a couple days until we can get some plumbing and electrical back in here and fix a few other things that need attention before we worry about the basement. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you're subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. If you don't like these videos, we got about 500 videos on painting furniture and home decor. Really appreciate it if you check those out as well. We'll catch you later for some more DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.